Hi and welcome to our show, Rani.
Thank you.
ये साल आपके लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहा with the success of No One Killed Jessica. So what are your plans for the year ahead?
My year ahead, I'm just raring to go. I want to do great movies, great scripts, work in wonderful films where I can really dazzle the audience with my performances. So I'm really looking forward to this year.
You never felt that age is catching up, right?
Not at all, because I think with age you get more and more better looking, more chiseled, more in shape, more confident.
Like we can see. In our industry, में typically देखा जाता है कि it's very easy to write off an actress. Everyone, all A-listers have faced it at some time. Even you have. So how have you dealt with it?
It's very, I think in a way, it's a part and parcel of the industry. And what really keeps you going here, that you have to work hard, you have to consistently work hard, do your work seriously, and you can't just lie back. You have to be a go-getter every second of your life, and that's what I've done.
So when you go through a low phase, do you think the perception changes, the way the media treats you, or the way the industry treats you?
Yeah, but that's, I think, normal. So there's nothing to really make a big deal about it. It's a normal norm. चढ़ते सूरज को सलाम बोलते लोग यहाँ. So that's the norm. So it doesn't matter.
अब बहुत सालों के बाद वापस आमिर खान के साथ काम कर रही हो. And once you said that he's your guru, so what is the new thing he's teaching you this time?
I think I learned from Amir at every given stage in my life. It's not only his acting or stuff, but the way he conducts his professional life and his personal life, the kind of discipline he has as an actor. I think it's just tremendous, and it's something that we all should learn from him. This journey on Reema's film will also be really, really special for me.
You're also working with Kareena after a very long time. Have you seen her? What changes do you see in her as an actress, professionally, personally?
Kareena is a fabulous actor, and she's just getting better and better every day with every film of hers. And she's been my personal favorite for a very long time. She's a person who I've been knowing for so many years, because we kind of bonded during Mujhse Dosti Karogi.
Right, yeah.
And we still have very warm feelings for each other, and we really have a good time when we meet up at parties, and we really catch up. And it's great to talk to her because she's very entertaining. So it's great meeting Kareena all the time.
Recently you said that you want to play Chulbuli Pandey. So who do you like as your male counterpart?
Salman, of course.
From the younger generation of actors, who's the one actor you like to romance on screen?
I've always put this on record and said that I would always, forever like to romance Shah Rukh, Amir and Salman. And they remain youngsters for me even today.
Okay, Rani, thank you so much.
Thank you.